It's the night of the Villa Lotte in Villanova's old brew. This used to be a night when people put on carnival fancy dresses and went out partying, but also carrying to hit anybody they met who hadn't put on a carnival costume for tonight. That tradition, the Vidalot tradition of Villanova, somehow died out, but have now been replaced by this new initiative. So we have two giants against the Queen of Ages with soft hands who are dancing around in the street and just, well, they basically just hit anybody they pass by. I think it's a really successful example of how you can combine two traditions, the giant tradition of Cavalonia with Carnival Dialogue tradition, and get something which is new but still with historical roots. We are in the Dialogue parade of Villanova 2011.